Hi everyone, welcome back into North Dakota today where we have a treat for you on this special Wednesday. Welcome back into This Is How You Make It with John David Berdahl. Good morning.
Hello, yes, trick or treat, right?
Yeah.
And I just found out it's Cat Day. It's National Cat Day.
I know.
No wonder I've been sneezing so much.
Okay, so I'm not alone. Thank you.
Yes.
Yes,
Anyway,
thank you.
so yeah, we're going to be working on a sort of, so this is the project that I was working on. It's a fall day, staring up at the sky, you know, through a type of, forest or forested sort of situation or, you know, scene. And so yeah, I drew these sort of trees here, you know, with this marker. It's a art skills marker. I got this at Walmart, really inexpensive. All of this, again, no budget sort of art that's going on. Yeah, and then I got this pad here of paper. Bright splash sort of paper for the sky.
That's awesome.
And I just thought, yeah, that would look so great. There's less work I have to do.
Yep.
You know, again, really inexpensive. And I was just asking you two, like, what sheets are you supposed to be working with? You pick pink. I guess
Yes.
I'll let you pick yours.
Okay, look at the draw here.
Yeah. And then for the leaves of the trees, I just took some cotton swabs, all right? And I
Nice.
just put rubber bands around them. And when I looked at this, or I guess when I had done it before, it was going to be broccoli that we were going to be working with. But someone ate the broccoli that I Exactly, whoa. So this works just as well, you know.
Perfect.
So, yeah, that's
All right,
really
so what
I
is
got
our
some
first
gloves
step
for you,
here?
too. Do you need
Oh,
any gloves,
awesome.
you know,
Yeah,
just to
maybe.
protect your hands?
Yeah.
Great. And so I got two types of paint. I got this sort of really, really inexpensive tempera paint, but I found this premium sort of paint works. Oh,
Do you want this out?
Thank
we'll
you.
just pass these around, just in circles and stuff like that. Here we go, here we go. And yeah, so I got this premium paint at Dollar Tree.
Nice.
Really, again, it just saved so much money. I think it was
Yeah.
$20. It was about $27 for all of this.
Oh, wow.
Perfect.
Yes. Hardly spent anything. So yeah, first step is probably take your markers. And before we were on, I was showing you how you can sort of draw these with these types of markers. These are pretty thick. And so to make it look like it's going from smaller to bigger, okay? And this is sort of linear perspective that's going on right here. All right, do you know what type of perspective? What type of linear perspective? 1 point perspective. Have you heard of that? Because basically it all vanishes in the center at 1 point.
Okay.
Yep, so there you go. There's a little education bit right there.
Nice.
So yeah, starting on the side of the marker and then tipping it up and pulling it down.
Okay.
So here, I'll
Can
do
do
this.
that.
Yeah, go ahead. I'll get the paint ready.
I love this. I think this would be a really great craft for, you know, people to do, especially when it's getting colder outside.
Wait, it's going to get cold? What?
You know,
Uh-oh.
I'm not the meteorologist, but that does seem to happen every year.
Yes, it does. And it's really swell. It's nice that we have really well-defined seasons, I think.
That is true. Okay, so how many trees do you think we should make?
Yeah.
That is up to you. The more busy it becomes, the harder it's going to be to sort of see the sky.
Okay.
That's why I left this sort of open here, what I had done.
Okay, gotcha.
You know, like this, also so I can dab with you. There we go.
Okay.
I'll set that there. I'll set these here. I got some sponges in case anyone needed to paint the sky. There you go.
Nice.
I don't really wear gloves and I don't wear protective stuff because it's kind of like I'm not supposed to sort of thing. It's like,
Yeah.
hey, you know, I'm supposed to know how to do this, know how to be, I don't know about cleanly or something like that, but just so very skilled.
Also, if
with
you
these
didn't have
materials.
paint on your hands, how would people know that you're an artist?
Exactly.
True.
You know? And what do I say? If it's not messy,
It's
it's
not
not
art.
Ah.
Definitely.
Yes.
So is this a project that you've done in one of your classes, or is this brand new for us?
yeah, this is brand new for you. And so I'm setting up, this is going to be a sort of class 4, Moorhead Community Education.
Nice.
I'll send them the details about that sort of thing. And how's that working out?
This
Starting
is
on the
going
side?
really good, I
Okay.
think. Yeah.
And how's yours going there?
Good.
Yeah, so starting really thin at the top because this is supposed to be the tops of the trees,
Yep.
right? And as they get closer to us, they get larger,
Yep.
you know. And I put a little bit of atmospheric perspective in here. There's two types. Well, there's there's a couple types of perspective. There's linear perspective and atmospheric. And atmospheric is like, why are mountains purple so far away? You know, when you get near them, they're brown.
Yeah.
You know, it's like color changes the closer you are to it. It's more vibrant. Anyway, so I was doing that with this. You know, some of these like lighter colors on top and then purple closer to us.
nice.
Because it would be darker, you know, a little bit. Or a darker color. So how are the trees coming?
Trees are coming good. I
Great.
see you added some branches on yours. So
Yes,
I
and all
once
I
I'm
did-
done with my trunks, I'll
Sure.
start hooking that up.
Sure, and all I did was I just took the branches, I just went 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Sweet.
1, 2,
Nice.
3. And I tried to make them a little smaller as they got closer to the top. Once again, because they're supposed to vanish near that vanishing point.
Love it.
There we go. Any plans for Halloween?
Ooh.
Not sure completely yet.
Okay.
Do you?
I'll probably find some sort of gathering to go to
Yeah.
or
Of
something like that.
course.
You know.
That's
And
fun.
I used to have a T-shirt that said, "This is my Halloween costume."
Where'd it go?
What was that?
Where'd it go?
I think I gave it to a friend or something.
Oh,
Yes,
man.
yes, I gave it to a coworker.
Ah,
I said, "Here you go." Hopefully, she didn't find it to be some sort of insult or something like that.
Oh, that's funny.
Yes.
Yeah, I gotta find something to do.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, so I'm getting the paint out here, and then we're going to start dabbing once you have your branches on. I did bring some glitter paper too.
Ooh.
I thought perhaps we could try that.
Yeah, I love this because I think you could use really any medium for this, correct?
Yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely. As I had said, I was going to bring broccoli, but someone had eaten it. So I'm going to hold this up. This is what we're working on. So right now we're drawing the trees. Okay, or I guess you guys are right there. You're drawing the trees. I already did this yesterday just to prepare a little bit. And then we're going to be dabbing and putting the leaves on with our
Okay.
cotton swabs. And I think that'll go pretty well. Gosh, those look great.
thank
Your trees look
you.
great. And so do yours. They look great.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, you're very,
I'm
very
almost
welcome.
done with my trees,
Okay.
my trunks, and my branches.
Yep, I got all the paint ready.
Perfect.
here's
Well,
these.
we're going to keep
There.
cooking this up during the commercial break, but don't go anywhere to see our finished products during the next segment.